Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I will give you the best review for this website. What are AI agents? How it will help you? And more. AI agents will help you to create websites, videos, voiceovers, art images, social post, ads copies, emails, content, blogs, business plans, marketing plans, idea generator, lead generator, marketing planner, daily to-do list, scheduler, marketing assistance, and more. Why AI agents is better than ChatGPT? ChatGPT is good, but you need to keep giving input text to get output content, no automation. You need to be good at giving prompts. 90% of people still struggle with correct prompts. AI agents gives multiple outputs and reuses the automation for future keyword inputs. For example, enter keywords to get a tweet post for Range Rover. AI agents will create tweet post and using it to create FB, Insta, and other social post. Using previous FB posts, AI agents will automatically create a full blog on Range Rover. Ask AI agents to create a video script of 5 minutes using the previous steps. Ask it to make a good PowerPoint presentation on luxury cars. Set this as your automation and ask AI agents to repeat it for other topics like organic farming, football, cosmetics. Use agent for automating hundreds of other tasks and to train other hundreds of agents. To more about this website, visit this same website, link is in description. Create websites, sales pages, e-com stores, and blogs content in 3 clicks. Get sales videos scripts. AI image generator. Attention-grabbing social post and ads banners. Create high-converting emails. Get good SEO strategy plan with ready content. Find the best images and videos from AI stock library. Create AI logos and banners instantly. Create long blog content in seconds. Create good prompts for any keyword to get you the best outputs. Clean, color, animate, upscale, or remove the background of any image in seconds. Access any current information from the internet and use it web access. Get a lead generation strategy. Create agents for any task in seconds. Create workflow and multi-agents for multiple tasks in seconds. Not just that, set the task of one agent to create something in one campaign. Now, ask AI agents to create hundreds of other agents. And use the output of the previous campaign as input and enjoy watching AI agents. Imagine the level of multi-level automation. This is the next level of ChatGPT. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis. AI agents works in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, create AI agent and decide steps. Step 3, use agent to automate hundreds of other tasks. If you watched the demo video, you can website, link is in description. AI agents powerful features. Feature 1, AI content writer. Feature 2, AI stock library. Feature 3, AI email writer. Feature 4, AI logos and banners. Feature 5, AI text to image. Feature 6, AI background remover. Feature 7, long content and many. Feature 8. Feature 9, rights code. Feature 10, AI image cleaner. Feature 11, AI image colorizer. Feature 12, AI image animator. Feature 13, web access. And many more different options is available in this. You can check the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.